Of respiration lesson. Um, so in aerobic respiration, the first stage is that is called glycolysis. It's common for both aerobic and anaerobic respiration. So and also this is the main process of breakdown of glucose. This is the main source of energy to us, to all living beings. So all have to know about this process and all. So today we are going to see that glycolysis. So these reactions were worked out by three scientists, Yempton, Otto Meyerhoff and Parnas in the yeast cell. Um, so that it was called as EMP pathway. EMP pathway. So the EMP was the first letter from all three scientists, M10 Mayor of Barnas. So it includes two different phases: preparatory phase, payoff phase. It includes two different phases: preparatory phase, payoff phase. So this is the overall scheme of glycolysis. Mm, so here the glucose is entered into the 6 carbon molecule enter into the glycolysis. Finally, it was converted into 3 carbon compound, that is pyruvate, and also the end products 4 ATPs and 2 NADH. Okay, this is the overall scheme of glycolysis. So now preparatory phase. So the first left side, it includes the process phosphorylation, isomerization, then phosphorylation, aldol cleavage, and then isomerization. These are the five steps was involved in that. So in these five steps, the middle, the verbal products. So how the products are converted into that with the help of an enzyme. The right side, the molecular structure. So glucose is a 6 carbon molecule. It denotes that. And then adding a phosphate group in this carbon molecule, that is the main thing in this stage. So now the first step, glucose is converted into glucose 6 phosphate with the help of an enzyme hexokinase. So in this process, one ATP molecule, that is energy currency, was spent and it was converted into ADP. The released third phosphate group, ஏடிபினா ட்ரைபாஸ்பேட், இப்போ இது ஏடிபியாக மாறிடுச்சு, டைபாஸ்பேட்டாக மாறிடுச்சு. The released phosphate group was added in the carbon molecule, that is glucose 6 phosphate. So you can see it at the right side, 6 carbon molecule, the phosphate group is attached with the 6th carbon atom. Then glucose 6 phosphate was converted into fructose 6 phosphate. It is an isomer, so that process is called isomerization. Okay, fructose 6 phosphate was converted into fructose 1 6 bisphosphate. So here the first carbon atom also added with phosphate group